This is Hammerblade V, and today I will share a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. Without further ado, let's launch the camera. So first, inside the camera modes you have the UHD, which stands for Ultra HD mode or Ultra High Definition, whatever. Let's compare this mode with regular photo mode. So I'll take a photo of these logos laying around, then I'll go into the UHD mode and take identical picture. Let's go into gallery. So those are the specification of the regular photo mode. You can see that it has the 3x4K resolution and it has been shot with 12.6 megapixels. Let's also get here, open the same specs, and as you can see, this Ultra HD pretty much just takes photos using 50 megapixels, and that's the resolution you get. Obviously it's higher, 8K by 6K. So here in the Ultra Definition or High Resolution mode, you will get better details. So that's how far I can zoom. Here. So here the details are not too bad either, but slightly more soapy, should I say. Another interesting mode that you'll find here if you'll go into the more section is called Pro mode. And once in the Pro mode, you can manually set the most important camera properties such as white balance, the ISO value. Something is off with my focus here. So white balance, ISO value, exposure, shutter speed, and focus. So if you are camera savvy user or camera savvy person, this will allow you to set the camera scene in accordance with your preferences or in accordance with whatever result you would like to get out of your photo. So that's what the Pro mode is good for. Then here, if you will get back to the regular photo mode, you can enable the AI button, and what AI does, it simply processes your pictures more and just uses more software processing in your pictures, therefore enhancing them to the maximum possible extent that is designed or built into this phone. And the final interesting camera option you might not have noticed, so if you'll go into settings, custom, color or select color, you will be able to change the UI color here. As you can see, those are the colors you can switch between, 5 options in total. So if you want to have another alternative UI highlight color, you can go for it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.